Hey dudettes and dudles, my name is Ayla Sky and welcome to my very first Pride parade. I am a Pride virgin. And the girl next to me is Brooch. You've seen her before. She's not a Pride virgin.
Nope.
You've been there once, right?
No, twice actually.
Twice? Okay.
So this is my third time.
And it's my first. I figured it was a good idea to have it with me and not just go alone or find other people who have never been there before.
Yeah, it is fun to have someone with you than just being there by yourself.
Definitely. So, like, today you are wearing the flags on your cheeks and you got some on your eyelids too, don't you?
Yeah, gotta take my glasses off.
Close your eyes. There we go. And I'm wearing rainbow eyes, whatever you want to call it, and fake eyelashes. I have never worn fake eyelashes in my life, so it took me like a half hour or something to actually get them on, and a bunch of tutorials. A bunch of tutorials to make sure I did everything as right as possible. I probably fucked up anyway, but it's my first time wearing fake eyelashes, so
it looks good.
Yeah, after a half hour. Thank you though. So I'm not sure how much I can record over there. I mean, I'm sure there's people who don't want to like go on YouTube and such.
Yeah, most likely, but
people in the parade, I assume, are like out and proud, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They don't mind it usually.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm probably gonna film the parade and try and avoid any like civilians, so I'm not like accidentally outing anyone or something.
Yeah, good idea.
So I'll see you guys at the parade. Hello. So I just came back home from my very first Pride, and I am really tired. It was an experience for sure. Kind of what you expected, you know. It was mostly just the parade I was there for, and it was a lot of people, lots of happy people, lots of drunk people. The important part is everyone seemed to be having fun, and I did have fun, but I think I'm gonna have to be honest and say that I don't think it's my scene. Like, there's not enough to do. I've never been very fond of the whole stand back and just look or observe, and even though you could walk with them, to me that didn't make much sense, because then you would just be looking at the same thing anyway, and then you would just be walking. So I think for me, if I have to really enjoy Pride, I might have to get a little bit drunk, because then you can gotta get into a different type of mood, you know. But I'm glad I did it, because it's definitely something you have to experience, I think. I didn't meet anyone I know, unfortunately, though I did. I kind of expected to meet someone there, but then again, Bruce and I pretty much stayed at the same place through most of it, and just watched the parade until we got tired, and then basically went to McDonald's and had food, and then got home. I definitely think it would benefit anyone to try and go to a Pride parade just once if they're able to. But I don't think I'll necessarily go next year unless there's some people who are like, oh, what, come to Pride with us, or something like that. And I might go, but like, I don't think I'm gonna try and go on my own or something. Because now I've experienced it, and maybe I'll go to one of the drag shows instead of the parade next year, because that's a little bit more entertainment based, and that's definitely more my thing, I think. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed the little montage of the parade. It was definitely fun to see it. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm really tired at this point. It's kind of overwhelming. There's a lot of glitter. A lot of glitter and a lot of colors and a lot of drunk people, but I think that kind of goes with it, especially since it's Denmark. I'll see you guys next time. See ya!